Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wise for your money transfers. So to do this is pretty simple. So you'll have to open up your Wise and locate your send button. So the send button is going to be right here on top of your currencies and below your total balance. So you'll have to press the send button from there, and here you can use your Wise for money transfers. So here you will see that you will have to do an exchange. So let's just say you're doing US dollars to another currency. So you're gonna send a US dollars like 1,000 right here. There's gonna be a connected bank account fee, and then the Wise fee, and your total fee will come up to $10.25 if you're sending 1,000, and it depends on the type of account you're using. So the total amount that they'll convert is going to be 989.75 USD, and there's going to be a guaranteed exchange rate within the 12-hour period. So you can do price comparisons with other exchanges right here with Stanford Andrews, World Remit, Intrarem, Wise, and MoneyGram, Zoom, Western Union, and many much more. And as you can see right here, how Wise compares. There you go. So just press continue, and then you're gonna select your bank right here. So you want to send that details right here from your selection of your own details, your name, your bank name, the account number, the country, the city, the recipient address, and the postal code, of course. And then once you've done that, just press confirm, and it will be on its way. And there you go. That is how you use Wise for money transfers. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.